Oppo A5 full specifications. The device operates on Android V15 and is equipped with a convenient side fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. It features a 6.67-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, delivering a sharp 394 ppi density. The display boasts a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and a 240 Hz touch sampling rate, complemented by a modern punch-hole design. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 50MP dual rear camera, capable of recording full HD video at 30 frames per second, as well as an 8MP front camera for quality selfies. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset and an octa-core processor, the device includes 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, expandable via a hybrid memory card slot supporting up to 2 TB. For connectivity, it supports 4G and 5G networks, along with VoLTE, Bluetooth version 5.4, and Wi-Fi, plus a USB-C version 2.0 port for versatile data transfer and charging. With a large 5,500 mAh battery, the device supports 45W SuperVOOC fast charging, ensuring that users can quickly recharge and stay powered throughout the day. Additional features include FM radio with recording capabilities, enhancing the overall user experience.